Good morning, traders. Vindy here with FuturestraderElite. We're going to jump in and try and do a tad bit of pre-market prep this morning, even though there's been some big moves. Let's hop into this chart. This is sitting on the 15-minute. Let's switch this over to the 4-hour real quick. You know, with this crazy move that candle they put in this morning, it's going to be hard to really determine any good decisions here in pre-market. Let me pull this trading view chart over real quick just so you can look at this 4-hour candle we're working on. This is a 4-hour candle we're currently putting in, 2.5 hours or so left on it. Got 947 points in it. Huge range this morning. I don't know why the market moved. I didn't look. I'm not listening to any news or anything. So basically, there were all kinds of 4-hour precision entry zones inside this area. I done deleted them. Pierced through everything. So today's we're going to have to be tread lightly, I think, in the market, because this is a nice move back to the upside, but they could also give all this back. So we're not going to get too tied up in the thinking anything's really bullish. You know, it's up here at the 50 EMA on the 4-hour right here. So we got our golden pivot down here at 283. R1 pivot at 594. I mean, it's just, it pierced through everything. S1 pivot down at 23,905. I mean, you're talking three pivot levels there that candle took out. So, you know, if they really want to be bullish and want to push, they need to get up here to this 4-hour zone, take out all this imbalance up here, bust through this trend line, take the R2 pivot at 972, take out this trend line, get up here to this box. We're about 25,200. All in all, we are looking at, we need like 25.5 or better to really try to reshape the chart structure-wise. If we want to start thinking about getting bullish, we need to take all this out right here. And that's, well, we'd be better off to get to about 25.7 to think, okay, you know, they get up here and take this level out and can consolidate up here, we could start thinking about a new trend in the market maybe. This would be a week to do it, especially after putting a candle like that in. You know, we'll just see if the bears step in and push all this back down. Like I said, I don't feel like this is going to get to much. All last week I was talking about this though. I put this box in last week, talked about it on stream and in pre-market prep about this is the line in the sand. This box was 23,732. The bottom is 23,486. You can see here we got down to about 772, 23,772. So about 40 points from where my box is that I said was the line in the sand last week is what we got down to. 40 points now. And if you look back here, look at this triple bottom off of this box. So, you know, it looks to me like they decided they wanted to save it in that area. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully they don't give it all back today. That won't look very good for us at all if they give it all back. I'm going to cut pre-market short right here. Maybe give you guys time to watch it, but there's not a lot to go over yet. We need more to happen with the market after that candle. Of course, last night when the market opened up, I traded because it was crazy move, and then I traded some of this move this morning. So did some really good trades overnight and then first thing this morning, but you can see that's having tough time in this structure right here to the left. Got right up here into this area, so we'll see. If you're new here, stream starts at 9:30 Eastern, New York Open. Hope to see you guys there. Leave a comment and a like on pre-market prep. Send it out to the algo, and let's start our trading week off right. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Have a great day.